Hello, my name is Vivek Kumar. I'm a college student who wants to learn about galaxies because I'm taking an astronomy class and also just got an internship at NASA and bought a telescope and discovered something. So this website seems right up my alley. Exploring galaxies. Welcome to the Galaxy website. Click on a module below to get started. Once you finally finish all the modules, you can take the quiz. Awesome. So this one, Hubble schemes. Cool. Hubble classification scheme. Before we can jump into galaxies, we need to know a little about the Hubble sequence or Hubble classification scheme. It will be central to classifying galaxies in the coming modules. Okay, so it looks like there's some correlation between the picture and the letters SB, SA, SC. So I think this will come up later on, and I think I got the general gist of it. So yeah, I think I got it. Complete module. Okay, I see. So I've completed this module. Now I've got four more to go. So let's just hop into the first one. Spirals. So this is a spiral. These are cool. So yeah, I do want to learn more about these spirals. So click here. Spiral galaxies form a class of galaxy described by Edwin Hubble. Most spiral galaxies consist of a flat, rotating spiral disk containing stars, gas, and dust, and a central concentration of stars known as the bulge. Awesome. And okay, so yeah, I've seen that. Okay, so click on a picture to get started. Once you've learned about all the galaxies and their schemes, click got it for each picture. Click complete to finish the module. Sweet. So let's just look at this. This is colorful. Messier 106, cool. Messier 106 is an intermediate spiral galaxy located 25 million light years from Earth. Its loosely wound arms give it Hubble classification SC, so it has SC for its classification. It's from this constellation. Yep, I think I get the picture. I mean, this is SC. I remember the diagram earlier. Cool, got it. Oh, moved on automatically. It's convenient. So 1706, 230 million light years from Earth, very tightly wound, so it gets SA. Give it, yeah, very tightly wound arms in spiral form. Give it the classification SA. SA is from Dorado. Awesome, I got it. So this is great, but you know what? Let's check out the other ones. Okay, let's see some of these lenticular. Okay, barred spirals. This seems pretty cool. Let's check this out. Okay, barred spirals. Yep, form a class of galaxy. Edwin Hubble. Barred spirals are spirals, but have a central bar-shaped structure composed of stars and two long arms. And okay, that's awesome. So yeah, let's maybe take a look at this. This is 1672. It's 60 million light years from Earth. It has the Hubble classification SBA. I don't actually remember what that is. So let's see Hubble schemes. Okay, this is convenient. So I can look at this diagram again. So SBA is right here. So I guess it's sort of the thickest in the middle. So yeah, I guess looking at these three, I can definitely see this is really thick in the middle. So yeah, I buy that is SBA. Yeah, this is SBA, right? Yeah, okay, yes, got it. This one is SBC. So look at this. Okay, so SBC is kind of skinny. So I think I get the picture here. So the thinner or more loosely wound it is, it goes from ABC and it's S and SB is for spiral or barred spiral. And okay, cool. Great. So yeah, this is SBC 1073. Okay, I got the picture here, and this one looks like it's sort of in the middle. So yes, I think SBB. It's 1365. So yeah, I got the picture, and yeah, it looks like I've completed this module. Awesome. So now I've completed this one. Maybe let's look at or you know what? Actually, only one away from completing spirals. Maybe let's complete this real quick. So this one is 5468. Is it SB? Because I guess it's sort of in the middle. Yeah, so this one's really loosely wound, so this is C. So this one's kind of really tight or together, so it's A. So then this one becomes SB. Yes, I get the picture. Great. If I think I understand it correctly. Yeah. Okay, complete module. Okay, great. Let's see which one of these we can look at. Ooh, this one seems colorful, so I'm going to pick this one. So, yes, learn about irregulars. A regular galaxy does not have a distinct regular shape, and they do not fall into any class of the Hubble sequence. Wow, okay, these are very colorful. So this is Cigar Galaxy. Awesome. So this is 3034, no particular Hubble shape, and it looks like they give it an eye here. Is that sort of the case for this Antenna Galaxy 4038? It's also given eye. Yeah, so looks like if it's kind of irregular shaped, it's kind of given eye. So yeah, I think I got it. I think I got this one. Sweet. And last but not least, lenticulars. So what are these about? Lenticulars are intermediate galaxies between spirals and ellipticals, which is why they can take E or S. Lenticular galaxies are unique in that they have a visible disk component of concentric circles as well as a prominent and bright bulge. Okay, so looking at this, that is a pretty bright bulge, and yeah, it looks like a circle. This is 1387. Circular shape, concentric circles, and bright bulge give it the Hubble classification S0. I don't actually got that. What is S0? S0 is, oh, okay, S0 is, so it looks like a circle. Yeah, that looks like a circle in the middle, and it's got a really bright thing in the middle, so I definitely understand that. And this one is circular shape, bright bulge. Yep, same deal. Cool. What about this one over here, actually? This is, it's hard to tell the spindle, oh, the spindle galaxy. It's hard to tell the classification scheme. This galaxy is only viewed from the edge, but is generally regarded as E5 through 7 and S0. Ah, okay. And S0. Cool, yeah, I guess it's hard to tell. So yeah, I got it, and yeah, I think I understand it. So cool, let's complete the module. Great, so it looks like we've finished up everything here. Let's maybe take a look at what. Ah, okay, I see. So this one's I, so we'll just always treat this one as I. Okay. So yeah, I think I'm ready to take the quiz. Or you know what? In fact, I'm not ready to take the quiz. I think I want to take a look at this one more time. Just to maybe look at the letters again. Okay, cool. So yeah, S maybe spiral, SB spiral barred, and then A, B, C. The second letter set of letters corresponds to the tightness. Is what I'm figuring out here, or the looseness or the thinness. So great. So okay, now I definitely am ready to take the quiz. So let's do that. Okay, starting with the basics. Welcome to the quiz. Let's get started with the simplest task possible, classifying galaxies into their respective type. This is the Whirlpool Galaxy. What type of class might this be? It's definitely a spiral. So I'm going to submit this correct. This is a spiral galaxy because of its spiral arms. Sweet. Alrighty here. Now, more basics. So let's try another simple classification. What type of galaxy might this one be? 2782. This looks pretty familiar. This looks kind of like one of the other ones, so I'm going to call this one lenticular. Correct. This is a lenticular. Oh, yeah, right. I mean, the middle is really bright, and there are definitely concentric circles going on here. So this is 100% lenticular. So, okay, yeah. Hubble schemes. Let's up the ante a little bit and try assigning Hubble classifications to galaxies. So this is 6217, a barred spiral galaxy. Which classification scheme might this be? Well, I know this is barred, so it has to be SB in the beginning. So I think I'm going to click this one by process of elimination. Yes, correct. The medium-sized bar, okay, in the middle, makes this classification SBB or SBC. Got it. Another one. Okay. This is 4100, a sparkling spiral galaxy. Which Hubble classification scheme might this be? Let's take a look here. So this seems pretty loosely wound, so I guess I'm going to call this one SC. Incorrect. Try to think about the type of galaxy and tightness of spiral. So I guess they're maybe not as loose as I thought initially, so let's call that SB. Correct. Okay. This somewhat tightly wound the somewhat tightly wound spirals in the middle make this classification SB. Awesome. Okay, galaxy type and classification scheme. So now it looks like they're quizzing on both of them. So this is the Southern Pinwheel Galaxy. What type and Hubble classification might this be? So this is definitely a barred spiral. I guess it must be this one. This looks kind of thick in the middle. No, okay. Try to think about the type of galaxy based on this. The class, yes. Well, this is a SB spiral barred, that's for sure. I guess it's thinner in the middle than I originally judged. So maybe let's say that. Yes, correct. Okay, the thin bar in the middle makes this bar a barred galaxy with the classification SBC. Cool. Lenticulars are often classified as spirals. In fact, there isn't really a fine line between the two. What are two defining characteristics of lenticulars? Here we have the Sombrero Galaxy. Well, I do remember that it's actually a bright bulge in concentric circles. So yes, correct. Lenticulars are characterized by bright bulge in concentric circles. Awesome. An irregular galaxy. They come in very weird shapes. Galaxies are named by objects they represent. I also remember seeing this one earlier. So that one is a cigar galaxy. Yes. Yes, it is. Great. Classification. Here's a tricky example. What might you say if you were given this picture and asked to classify it? What is the Hubble classification scheme of this galaxy? Well, we looked at the irregulars extensively, and I really cannot pick out a shape here. So this is I. We'll call this I. Submit. Yes. Next question. Okay, we haven't gone over ellipticals much, but they are on the fork. What's the starting letter for schemes of the elliptical? Well, if I know anything about the diagram, I'm going to have to guess E for elliptical. Yes, that's correct. And the real deal. Most of us don't have access to high-res imagery or the Hubble telescope in the real world. If you discover a galaxy that's far away, you have to come up with the type and scheme off a very low-res image. This is super tricky, something astronomers have to deal with every day. What type and Hubble classification scheme of this? Wow, I really can't see that, but it looks kind of ovular, so let me call it elliptical. No, okay. Maybe it's an E5, maybe it's not as ovular. No, okay. Look really closely. Okay, you know what? That bulge is really, really bright. So let's call that lenticular. Yes, that is correct. This is lenticular. And awesome. Okay, congratulations. Fantastic job. We've made it through the quiz. You're well on your way to becoming a seasoned expert in galaxy classification. Remember to have fun while stargazing. Awesome. So we got through the quiz, and that's Exploring Galaxies, a site to teach you galaxy classification.